Hi, it's Casey and welcome back to Coffee with My Sunshine. If you're new here, welcome. So today I wanted to do something a little bit different. I had a few requests for like a garden tour, flower bed tour, so I thought it would be fun to take you along as I plant my summer flowers and we do our raised garden beds. So let's get started. So every year for Mother's Day, my kids and my husband take me to our local nurseries, and I get to pick out flowers for our front pots, our planter pots, because we have big ones that sit on our front porch. And I think that's super special. It's something we do every year. I love having them with me to help me pick out the flowers. So this is what we're working on right now. And I usually end up getting petunias, and then I like something tall in the center. So this is what I went with this year. My son actually helped me pick these out because he just thought they were like really cool and different.
Just don't hold it close to you because it'll get wet. You get a picture of them.
Yep, that wasn't the plan.
It was not the plan?
That was not the plan.
You're welcome.
Yes, thank you.
Get started.
I also like things that, a couple things that trail over the side because I think that's really pretty. I usually will do like a sweet potato plant or vine or something like that, or like a creeping Jenny. Aren't these super cool? I'm excited to see like how tall they get and what they do throughout the summer. I think it's hard to tell.
If you need me to film anything, let me know.
Okay. That's my daughter. She's sitting over in the chair next to me. She's going to help me in just a second to plant the other planter pot. And I just love planting flowers and stuff. It just makes me happy when I get home to, like see the bright, welcoming colors, and I don't know, they're happy. I don't do a lot of flowers in like flower beds. Those are usually just like my hostas and stuff, and they come back every year, so they're really low maintenance. And this is what they look like so far. They usually spruce back up, and then I have two of these hanging planter pots. We get those every year from our friend's son. He's with the Boy Scouts. And here I just thought I would show you a couple clips of my husband and I building our raised garden boxes. Do you want me to hold this end?
That's good. I have it in my hand.
These are actually very similar to my mom and dad's. My dad came up with this design for theirs, and we just kind of copied it, just made them smaller. Crack shell.
You might get more views. You're right. Yep.
We're going to probably next year build 2 more boxes. We could only do 2 this year just with the price of wood and everything that's going on this year as far as money with like different surgeries and stuff for our dog and, just life.
Dang it.
It's back. Oh, it's alright. You're okay. Perfect. Very good. You can go as fast or as slow as you want. Perfect. There you go.
Yours here.
You can do another one.
Or no, that goes into the other little board, right?
Yeah.
It's going down today.
That's alright.
First we put in some broken concrete in the bottom just because we had it left over from breaking up our sidewalk, which my son helped us with. And so then we took some stone just to put at the bottom as well for drainage. And oh my gosh, don't mind my outfit here. It's just working outside clothes. So, and my legs are super pale. I haven't been in the sun much yet. So don't judge. This stone was my husband's grandpa's, and I thought it would just look so cute next to these garden boxes. These are the plants we got this year. Like I said, I usually do a little bit more, but we didn't have the space. And I will just kind of take you through after I plant them to show you what we got. These are my favorite types of tomatoes to get. I get them every year. They're the early girl tomatoes. They're the perfect size. They always come in like perfect. I can't seem to grow the big ones for like BLTs and stuff. They're always way too mushy and they just don't work for me. Yes, these plants desperately need water. I will be watering them all after I plant them. So I'd love to hear what kind of veggies and fruits and stuff do you guys have planted in your gardens? And do you do like the raised garden beds or the in-ground? She doesn't want to come? No. I used to do the in-ground garden, as you can see kind of behind me there. But I was just done fighting with the weeds, and I wanted something, where I didn't have to, be down on my knees and stuff trying to pull weeds forever. Plus we have bunnies that like to get the food sometimes before we do. They're not our bunnies, they're wild bunnies. Don't spray my camera.
It's okay if I take two of these gators?
Yeah. Are they cold or they never got put in the fridge, did they?
No, but I don't care. They get warm anyway.
Okay. Yeah, there's also water if you want to take water. And there's my baby girl Bella in the background there. You can see her hobbling around. So as we speak right now, as I'm doing this voiceover, she is getting her surgery done. Baby girl. She loves being outside with us, especially in the summer. It's her favorite. Hi, puppy. Bella, you like it in the shade? You like it in the shade? Is it nice? Is it nice? I love growing squash and zucchini. You get so much from just one plant, and it's great for on the grill or in salads and soups and stews and stuff. Those are one of my favorite. Also, last year we experimented with pickling cucumbers, and they turned out great, so I got a couple plants to do that again this year. I'm going to, if I get a good amount of tomatoes, I'm going to attempt to can them. I've never done it before. It makes me a little bit nervous. So if you guys have any tips, or if you've done it before, I don't know, give me some ideas and I don't know, rules and just how you do it. My mom and I are gonna try and do it this year. I'll show you after I'm done here too some of our other plants that we have around the house and our fruit trees. That's catnip. I gotta figure out where to put it for our cat. And we love green beans. These are really good. Usually I get the pole beans, but they were out at the nursery, so I'm gonna try these bush beans. Also, I have regular cucumbers. And sugar snap peas, I have them kind of laid against the side here because my husband and I are going to build like kind of like a arched trellis over to the other garden box so they have something to climb. And our cucumbers will do the same. And then we love our hot peppers, and I got some mild peppers and stuff. I'm going to try and make salsa this year. And I heard eggshells are really good to put in the garden and coffee grounds, so I'm trying that again this year. This is a plant I got from our local nursery. I just thought it was gorgeous. It said it was great for cutting flowers, so like if you want to have flowers to put in a vase inside, I just thought it was gorgeous. And then, like I said, I don't have a lot of flowers planted outside, but I love my hostas and hydrangeas. Also, there's some weeds. But our hostas get really huge now that we have a fence around our yard and the deer don't eat them to the ground. And in the background there, we have 2 apple trees. One of them actually has like 6 different kinds of apples that grow on different branches, which is pretty cool. We just have to get to them before the squirrels do. I would like to have a cherry tree, but I heard it's pretty much a race with birds and squirrels to get them yourself. So we'll see if I end up getting one this year. I also have these zebra grasses. I love them. They help a little bit with privacy, and also my dog loves to lay in them. More petunias. These ones my son picked out. He thought they were really cool with the speckled flowers. And then I didn't have enough room in my garden boxes, so my husband just quickly threw a little box together for our herbs. So I did some Italian parsley, garlic chives, rosemary, some basil and oregano. I've never had luck growing them inside like a lot of people do. I don't know if I just don't have enough light. I also have kale in this pot. And then here I have my blueberry plant. I actually planted this last year and it came back, which I was really excited about. And for it being a first year plant last year, I got quite a few blueberries out of it. This I'm going to hang in our front yard. And that completes the tour so far. I'll give you an update as the summer goes on and things fill out. So let me know what kind of flowers and plants you guys like in your yard. And same with your garden. I would love to hear. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate all of you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.